Alrighty, I'm in my grandpa's shop, because he's always nice and lets me use his tools. And plan here is, as you can see, this used to be right there, but it has broken off. So I'm going to take grinder, grind the edges of this piece. Actually, I might go to the spinning wheel over there, because that thing works really good to clean off the edges of this. But anyway, I plan on just welding it on here. If possible, I'll grind this lip out. I'll weld that up on here, and then I'll weld this onto it. I'll probably grind this down if I can too. We'll see, but that's the plan. Alright, so I got it all grinded up. Now I'm ready to do some welding. Probably not much of a show right there, guys, but I got it welded up. I was hoping to weld under here, but there was too much of a gap, so I put 2 welds up here. Now, I'm no professional welder, I just worm on farm junk, but I think I do pretty good. And then I welded in this hole to the frame underneath the best I could. Doesn't have to be perfect as long as it holds. And I think it will. So next I'm going to clean this off. I'm going to take the cutting grinder wheel and cut some of that off. Kind of a tricky piece to grind, but that is good enough for me. Sorry guys, forgot I was zoomed in and you couldn't see me put that on, but it's pretty simple. You just line up the holes and put the pin in. I gotta put the doohickeys back on, but there we go. What was on there before wasn't the greatest, and this is 10 times better, so it will hold up pretty good. I did notice these seals were leaking. I maybe should have put some type of tape on there, but I was going to tighten them up while I'm in the shop. Thank you for watching, and hopefully there will be a future video of me actually cutting some hay with this.